according to the statements of Shastra Yonitwat. This is in Prabhupada's Shloka book, actually. According to the statements Shastra Yonitwat, the Lord is, which means the Lord is known through the scriptures. The conclusion of all scriptures is that everyone should serve you and no one else. So then Krishna says, well, what do you mean? How do these scriptures apply to me? These scriptures don't apply to me. I'm God. I'm absolute truth. I'm Bhagavan. So then the gopis reply with sly words, because he says, Jiva Goswami, because they say you are Paramatma, who is dear to all living beings. That which is the object of love is called Atma, because we love ourself, and self means Atma. Since you are the dearest among all Atmas, and you are the Paramatma, and consequently the unconditional benefactor of all beings, because it says Bandhu, it says Bandhur Atma, you act as the Paramatma and the friend, because you can manifest everywhere. So that's really the nature of Krishna. Anywhere your friend, Paramatma, Krishna, can manifest to you. Everywhere you see that the various devotees are meditating on their friend, our eternal friend from beginning to end and on again to the next beginning, is a Paramatma. So Dhruva Maharaj and Prahlad Maharaj are meditating on the Paramatma, on Vishnu, as their friend. And they're not on Kshirodakshaya Loka. Paramatma, Kshirodakshaya Vishnu, he expands in the heart of all his creation to keep an eye on things. Like I'm a rich man, and I have a big factory, so I can't see everything, so I have CTC, what is it? CTV. You see? The TV. CCTV, closed circuit television. So I put all these TVs everywhere so I can keep my eye on everything. So your boss is in the office, and the cameras are watching through the eye of the camera. So Kshirodakshaya Vishnu is on Kshirodakshaya Loka, within this material jagat, on this side of the Karna Samudra, and he keeps his eye on all his creation by, in the heart, there's a CCTV camera in the form of the Paramatma. So that way he's keeping an eye on everything, and he's also protecting us and acting as our friend. So anywhere you can contact your friend. So Dhruva is meditating, and far away from Kshirodakshaya Vishnu, he's meditating on Dhruva Tila, a small hillock in Mathura, and he's seeing Chaturbhuj Narayan in his heart, and then he couldn't see. That's called Sporti. Sporti, there's Sporti, Visporti, and Saksha Darshan. So Sporti, you could say his experience with Visporti is a very deep and prolonged, Visporti is a very deep and prolonged internal darshan of Krishna within the recesses of your chitta or consciousness. You're actually seeing the three-dimensional or four-dimensional form, transcendental form of Bhagavan in the heart. And then when you open your eyes by chance and you lose that sporti. Sporti means a manifestation, a vision. He's meditating on his friend in his heart, and he lost his sporti. When he opened his eyes, he saw, oh, Narayan, my friend. And so many numerous devotees around the world have been in precarious, life-threatening situations. Sometimes they die also. That's Krishna's will, live or die. But many times they close their eyes or pray, and phenomenal things happen. You know the story I've told many times. You know the story? Sankirtan guy running away. Anyway, it's a rerun. The idea is that Krishna is everywhere. He's always with us, wherever we are. He promises to protect us. Protecting us may mean that we also die, but he'll protect us so that when we're dying, we may see him the moment we die. So it's very hard to predict where a devotee goes when he dies. It's not possible.